Alright, so this is question 2 on test 4. Test 2 says figure 2.3 shows the position of x on an object as function of time t. For each of the regions marked on the graph, determine whether the velocity is positive, negative, or 0, and whether the acceleration is positive, negative, or 0. Alright, when we see in the figure, which is this figure, we see the velocity here, positive, acceleration, positive, positive. So when we look at our options, in region 1, it says the velocity is positive, like for A. Region 1, the velocity is positive, it's true. Acceleration is negative. No, acceleration is not negative. So this cannot be. Region 2, the velocity is negative, and acceleration is positive. Meanwhile, in region 4, the velocity is positive, and acceleration is negative. So velocity is positive, not negative. So B can be. In region 1, position is negative, and velocity is positive. Meanwhile, region 5, the position is positive. Well, I don't know what position is. I guess we're talking about acceleration. Region 1, the velocity is positive. That's true. Acceleration is positive. That's true. And 5, velocity is negative, and acceleration is positive. That is true. Acceleration is positive, and velocity is negative. Yep. So all of these are positive, positive. This is negative, negative. So the slope, positive, negative. So answer is D.